The average individual currently spends 70% of their life indoors, which means there is an increasing need for healthy indoor air quality conditions to maintain good health. There is an ever-increasing demand, now more than ever, to test homes and offices for mold, asbestos, and other indoor air quality challenges. Two major industries that are impacting these increased numbers are the real estate and healthcare markets. As an example, nobody wishes to own a home with a defined mold or asbestos risk. Also, allergists and medical professionals routinely instruct their patients to have a thorough assessment of their home and workspaces conducted professionally. These scenarios and many others illuminate an opportunity to meet the market demand while owning your own business and becoming a tremendous professional resource to the clients you serve. Further, it offers the freedom you desire to choose the hours you work and when you spend time with loved ones. An added caveat is that this business can be started small as an individual, and yet it is truly scalable to bring on as many employees as you so desire. There's no ceiling on revenue you can generate, and with no royalties nor monthly franchise fees to ever pay, more money remains in your pocket. Low initial investment and high profit margins lead to rapid payback of your initial investment dollars. We equip you with everything you need to get started and generating business straight away. We will furnish you with the latest testing equipment, best practices, negotiating skills, and most cutting-edge business and professional development techniques to bolster sales right out of the gate. As an extension of our existent, well-respected brand, you will have a tremendous and almost unfair head start in your marketplace. Our reputation, years of experience, and reviews become yours immediately, and you step into a position of a trusted authority in your marketplace. In addition to a proven marketing strategy, we offer you a protected sales territory that you alone own the rights to. A life-changing business opportunity is well within your reach. Naturally, reactions to poor air quality vary a great deal symptomatically, depending on the individual it's impacting. Infants, children, the elderly, and people suffering from challenged immunity experience the most trouble. Your daily efforts detecting the source of their declining health provides a genuine benefit to the people you serve, and you will quickly love the work you do each day. If you are an entrepreneurial spirit who would like to operate a business from your home, on your schedule, with virtually unlimited growth potential, Renew Restoration wants to have a dialogue with you. Let's see if we are a great match for one another. We have untapped available markets in each of the 50 states, and the future looks increasingly brighter each year in this industry. The timing truly couldn't be any better. We genuinely look forward to connecting with you as you navigate where your next career move will take you. Contact Renew Restoration today. For business opportunities, call Chris Carbone. Mobile 917-340-9099. Or locate us online, www.renewrestorationnj.com.